Okay, so second workout for today, and I decided to go on a hike with the family. And look at that hill behind me. Y'all see that? Now, we used to do this hike all the time with the boys. And the last time we did it, I think Mo was about 3 or 4. And he used to always fuss and complain about coming up the hill. And we used to always encourage him to use his little tiny legs to get up the hill. Now I felt like, now I felt like him. I know what he felt like at that time. Mo, you Mo. Ooh, child, I made it. I made it. I made it. That took a lot out of me. I'm sweating everywhere. You sweating?
Nope.
So why nobody else sweating? Oh boy, Baba said he ain't sweating either. Ooh, child. I got my coconut water for everybody that's worried. I got my electrolytes to hydrate. But my head is wet. My arms, my back, my everything. Come on, Momo.
I think that's bamboo.
I think you're right. I not only used to walk this hike, take this hike with my family, me and Yame Mujasi and Baba Imhotep, but I also used to do a 7-mile hike, Wuvu's hike with the sisters, and the 7 miles included these hills. They couldn't stand me. Oh boy, did they fuss. And I also used to do this jog, a 5-mile jog with the brothers. And we jogged the hills like once a week. And at that particular time period, we used to also jog through the city on another day out the week for 5 miles. This was during COVID, so I was really getting it in at that time. Lots and lots and lots of miles in 1 week. Lost a lot of weight unintentionally, but eating healthy and working out so much, I lost. And now I'm battling the big C. Starts with a C and with an R. And I'm back at it, having a consistent routine of working out and doing different things. Those who know me personally knows I love working out. Like, I love it. And I also love eating healthy, good food. Just doing what I know is going to make me healthy, keep me healthy. So, this is my thing.